All right, we are in a previous generation Toyota 86. We've been driving the new GR86 all day and wanted to get some thoughts on that compared to this car. A lot of differences and improvements with the new car. You can feel a big power differential between the two cars. This 2020 just never quite gets there. There's not as much grip from the chassis. The handling isn't quite as sharp, but the engine sounds better, and I think that's worth something. Oh, it just never quite comes on. Shifter's definitely not as precise in this older car. There are a lot of improvements with the new GR86. I'll hand it to Toyota. They've done a really good job making it a better car in every way. There's still a little bit of a torque dip in the new car, but definitely not as much as there is in this. This is still your more pure driver's car. There's no silly shift beeps or fake engine noise piped through the speakers. This old 86 has character. It definitely feels like it's got some it feels a little bit underpowered on this long course. The new power is really nice. I don't know, I'm torn. I like the feel of this old car. I like the sound of this old 86 a lot better than the new car, but somehow the dynamics fall quite a bit short. This is a really big improvement with this 22 GR86 in any of its forms. Yeah, kind of torn between these cars. I'm very curious to see what they do going forward with the evolution of this new model. It's really good to get back into this old Toyota 86 and feel what a stock car could do, because it's been a while. My BRZ was tuned and had a header and exhaust and a little bit more power, so it kind of flattened out that torque curve. But yeah, there's definitely a lot lacking here in the power department, where the new car just completely makes it up and is actually pretty fun to drive. So hey, pick your flavor. It's just good that Toyota's still building these and that they're keeping it going forward, because if they didn't do a second generation, I'd be a little bit disappointed. They owed it to the enthusiasts who wanted more power, and they have delivered on that front.